What it do? You to today's video. I want to talk about where are all these coronavirus victims going? Where are all these victims going? So, you know, I'm talking about worldwide. Like, it's been so many. Oh, yeah, and I know you can't see me. I turned on my prismatic melanin. Hey, nah, that shit funny. Only the intellectual thinkers will get what I mean. That was like one of those dry, funny jokes. Anyway, um, so yeah, I'm in my melanin form. Hey, nah, that shit funny as hell. So, excuse me, because with this type of information, you got to make jokes about it, even though it's not funny. But to lighten the mood, to stop from crying, not necessarily drift off into go to a different reality, but like stay into the physical reality and shit. But it's like, you gotta crack a joke to, just to make light of the situation. Because if you think about it, I just thought about this shit. I don't think nobody else thought about this. They probably have. They probably just haven't said nothing. But, and I'm probably not gonna do not probably. I'm not going to do an intro for this video because it's just straight to the point. Like, y'all gotta think about this shit. This is just food for thought. So, all these victims that's dying from this virus, right, worldwide, people keep talking about the FEMA coffins. They got them for the FEMA camps. I just thought about it. They don't have those FEMA coffins for no damn FEMA camps. I mean, they might have some forced FEMA camps, but ain't nobody even in no damn FEMA camps. At least we don't know about it, as in the public. But we don't know nobody that's in FEMA camps against their will. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying there ain't no people that's in FEMA camps right now, because we don't know. So much shit hidden on this planet and we don't know. But I'm just saying, like, in this situation that we in right now as a human race, not that I'm black, I'm white, and all this dumb bullshit. I'm talking about as a human collective. We all in the same boat. So if you think about it, all these people that's dying from this virus, I'm watching the Breakfast Club, and they talking to a doctor in New York, and he said they had to start stacking the bodies outside the morgue somewhere else because the morgue was full of bodies already. So if you think about it, and that's just in New York, think about all the other states in just North America. Then you got South America. I don't know if they're affected with it, and I'm just saying, I'm giving you examples. Then you got China and Italy and Australia and all these different places that are getting hit with it. There's other places too. I'm just naming the places that I've just been hearing constantly. But and the places that got it the worst. So if you think about it, in New York alone, it's just people dropping like flies. They said the morgue was full of bodies. They had to put the bodies outside of the morgue. So where the fuck is they putting all these bodies at? I haven't, not yet. Think about this. This food for thought. When have you ever seen the government or any of these plot workers expanding a new graveyard? You haven't. All these people that's dropping like flies. Where the hell is they putting their bodies? If they burying them in the dirt that quick, it's too many bodies for them to bury that quickly. I think they either burning them and releasing all that coronavirus victims, the ashes, back into the atmosphere, which is going to get people more coronavirus. Just like in the movie The Return of the Living Dead. It was burning the bodies and the fucking infection get right back into the sky. But I think they're using those bodies not only for the FEMA coffins. I think those not for no FEMA camps. I think those for this situation now. All these people dropping, they're using them plastic coffins for that, not for no fucking FEMA camps. And if you think about it, that's some scary shit because it makes sense. I just put this shit in perspective for myself, and I'm putting it in perspective for y'all. All those FEMA coffins that they had was for this coronavirus shit that these people dropping like flies. Where are all these bodies going? When have you ever seen these people expand the graveyard? They always working on McDonald's and working on these other places and building new restaurants. But when have you ever seen them expand a graveyard? All these people not going into the ground, my friend. There's too much chaos. They're either burning these people or they putting them back into your food, back into the meat. Go watch a movie called Soylent Green. I think it came out 1972 or something like that. But yeah, man, think about that shit. Where all these dead bodies going? Not in just that one state, that one country, all these countries. Come on, man, they covering this shit up, boy. They covering this shit up. They don't got, come on, you really think they got that much time to bury all them bodies in the ground? No, they putting them back into your food. Wake the damn up. More videos coming soon. Straight like that. You know what I'm saying? Nobody gonna break it down for you like this. I'm breaking this shit down. No Matrix.